Hey.
Why do you have all these owls?
Do you want the translator?
Well, no, it's okay. How are you walking by them?
What do you mean?
How do you walk by them?
She has falcons here too.
Whoa. How do you go? Yeah? Okay. Wow.
Oh, you have hedgehogs too. She has hedgehogs.
Well, look at this one. What's he doing? Posing for the camera. Huh?
I think that's defensive.
Oh.
Your mom's gonna kill us.
What?
This is why. Wow.
This is creepy.
Look, they have hedgehogs too.
He's upset, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.